All
right, Amelia. Move so we can see
Stand back, Amelia. We gotta take a picture.
Can you
Wait.
go over on this?
All right. Ready, set, go.
Wow!
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool.
Okay. So after a few failed attempts to record the experiment, I think we're ready to go. They have packed
You ready?
an aluminum tube with 14 Mentos. Some sort of Mentos-like breath mint.
All right, you ready?
Here it goes.
Amelia, come here. I need you to pull this tube. So who's gonna pull my tube?
He's not going to pull the tube, he's going to pull the paper. The Mentos are going to drop into it.
Go.
There it was. It's
Wasn't as good as the last
not
one.
quite as good as the last two because I think it didn't go in right away. Alright.